I'm Brian Henderson, and here's how to perform a basic transaction on Wash Dry Fold POS. I'm going to start by clocking in. Next, I'll click New Sale, and I can search for our customer by their phone number, their first name, their last name, or the company name. We'll say George Washington's dropping off his laundry today. We can see his print notes, which will always print on the receipt. I can check and see if he has an account balance or store credit. I can also see if management has left any internal notes about this customer. I'll click Continue with Selected Customer. When I press the Wash Dry Fold button, that will automatically read the weight scale. Let's say this customer has left specific instructions for this one bag of laundry. We'll say Spot Treat the white shirt. Next, he drops off a comforter that he gives us more common instructions, such as dry it on low. In that case, I can just quickly tap this instructions button that says dry temperature low. Let's say he's also purchasing a lint roller. I can use the barcode scanner to just scan the barcode of the item to add it to the ticket. I'll press Next, and we'll choose a due date for this order. Let's say he's picking it up tomorrow at 5. On the payment screen, we can enter the amount that they paid with. In this example, he's paying with $50 cash, so I can press the $50 cash shortcut button. I'll print off the receipt, and I'll make his change.